Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have a nice Ford single axle truck. Now this is a Ford F750 V8 engine. It has a Schwartz hoist, dual ram. Good rubber on the back of this truck. It just idles 400 or 500 RPM there. It's just a nice running smooth truck. The bed is in exceptionally good shape. It has steel sides, wood floor. All your harvest is going to make it to the elevator right there. So this truck will be sold Sunday, May 9th, online at smithsalesco.com. If you have any questions, 406-234-7355. Frame's clean. Inside the cab is nice. Thanks for looking, ladies and gentlemen.